Today I'm working on my mini excavator, and what I'm gonna be doing today, I am going to be adding a seat belt. This seat belt is from a go-kart. If you have a mini excavator like mine, this one did not come, these models does not come with a seat belt. And I need a seat belt because this thing, when I'm using it, shakes a lot. Now, my disclaimer is this. If you are going to be adding a seat belt, my disclaimer is that I don't know if it's going to protect you, but for me, I am going to use it to hold me down. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna use the same bolts that are in the seat, because the ones that came with the seat belt looks like it's a little too small and a little too thick. Let me get you close and let's start replacing this seat belt. We're gonna remove this bolt out of here, and what we need is a 12mm socket. Okay, it looks like a little small. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put this up. You know what? I'm gonna put a washer inside. Okay, that's in. Let's go to the other side. Doesn't look bad at all. Feels good. Okay. Feels pretty tight. It's holding me down. So this is how you add a seat belt to your mini excavator. And remember, if non-mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.